You need to watch this if you hate getting sick. Most people underestimate sneezes. Here's the real distance. One uncovered sneeze shoots 40-100K droplets at 50-120 meters per second. Big drops fall within 1 to 2 meters. Tiny aerosols hitch a ride in a gas cloud. They can travel 7 to 8 meters indoors and linger for minutes to hours. Cover sneezes with your inner elbow. Use a tissue, then toss it into a bin. Do not catch sneezes with your bare hand. Open windows and doors regularly to ventilate rooms. Stay safe.